If you import goods from China, Amazon seller, Shopify store, small importer, the November 10th, 2026 tariff cliff is going to hit your margins. This is a $39 tariff monitoring kit that audits your top SKUs against the cliff math, projects your post-cliff landed cost, and flags the HTS codes that need sourcing changes before the change hits. Here's a real sample. HTS code 9504.50 video game consoles from China. Today's rate 0%, post-cliff rate 35%. On a $100 landed cost console, that's $35 added per unit. If you're carrying 10,000 units of holiday inventory, that's $350,000 of margin compression. The tool generates this exact analysis for any HTS code in your import mix and tells you whether to reduce inventory now or source from a non-tariffed country. The kit covers 67 of the highest volume HTS codes: apparel, electronics, home goods, kitchenware, toys, sporting goods, footwear, and accessories. For each code, pre-cliff rate, post-cliff rate, the calculation worksheet, sourcing alternatives from Mexico, Vietnam, India, and Thailand, the inventory build-down math if you want to draw down before the cliff, and freight forwarding language for switching suppliers. Plus a free public calculator at adcreator-ai.com/tariffs/calculator runs any HTS code you paste in. Three pricing options: $39 for the snapshot, 67 HTS codes, Cliff Math worksheets, instant delivery. $147 for Pro Setup, where I audit your top 20 SKUs against the cliff personally and hand you a drawdown or resource recommendation for each one. Or $14.97 for full service, 12 months of quarterly audits and sourcing strategy updates through the cliff transition.
Test the free calculator first at adcreator-ai.com/tariffs/calculator. Paste any HTS code, get the pre and post cliff math. The free 5-code sample is at scholar.0xpi.com/get/tariff monitor. Drop a comment with your top import category. I'll run the analysis on the spot.